YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review on this Beetles Valentine's Day themed PolyGel kit. I did purchase this kit off of Amazon, so if you want to try it yourself, the link will be down in the description box. Right now I'm just showing you guys the packaging that it came in, which was super cute. I love the rose gold effect on it. So first things first, it came with an application guide, which I completely did not read, like literally at all. But I watched a bunch of PolyGel YouTube videos because I do want to venture out and try new methods of nail extensions. So I thought PolyGel would be a great start. So purchasing this kit, I am a beginner. Like I've tried one PolyGel nail and I liked the process of it, so I went and purchased a kit. So this is some of the stuff that comes in the kit. You have a dual-sided brush, which I'm going to open for you now. They did provide a slip solution and some dual forms. And here they are in stiletto and square. Here we have the plug for this little lamp, which is super cute. I'm gonna plug it in just to make sure it works, because too many times I've ordered something off Amazon and it doesn't end up working. But thank God that this one does. It was a little bit hard to open, but nonetheless it's still really cute. And you just turn it on with that button at the top. Next thing is a buffer and file, and this tweezers. I love that the tweezers are really sharp. I cannot stand those dull tweezers that are like rounded at the ends. Those are very aggravating. But yeah, here we got some base and top coat. And these are like French tip stickers and some nail sequins and rhinestones. And that is all. Here are the 12 colors. And now I'm going to empty the slip solution in a dish just to have it ready. It is a bit of a thicker solution, but I've heard that you can also use alcohol as well. So here I'm just going to swatch all of the PolyGel colors for you. Now keep in mind, I did say I am very new to PolyGel, so at first on this one, I was kind of treating it like it was acrylic. And then I remembered, oh wait, you don't have to swipe as much or like do too much work like acrylic. So yeah, if you are like a pro at PolyGel and you're watching this, you're probably cringing right now. But like I said, this is my first time. And yeah, I really like all of the colors that came in this kit. I do wish that the bottles were bigger, of course, but since they are so small, I probably won't do a whole like PolyGel kit with extensions. I might just do the lazy girl method, which I will be creating another video for using this same kit. So after you finish watching this video, do definitely go watch the nails that I'm going to do with this kit. That will also be linked down in the description. So I'm just going to finish swatching all of these colors and let you guys watch. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do end up purchasing this kit, tag me on Instagram and let me see what you created. Like I said, I do really love all of the colors. They were really easy to work with, really easy to blend, and I will definitely be purchasing more PolyGel from Beetles. If you want to keep up with my PolyGel journey, definitely subscribe. And if you like this video so far, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you have any ideas of what you want to see or any other kinds of videos you want to see from me, don't hesitate to leave me a comment and I will reply and get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.